Hello and welcome to the Savify Discounts app tutorial series from KlinKode. In today's video, we'll show you how the Savify Storefront Widget works and how you can easily add it to your Shopify theme. To get started, you'll need to have the Savify app installed. Then we'll add the Storefront Widget to your theme to display your discounts. Let's begin by adding the widget to your theme. Click the Online Store button in your Shopify admin, then click the Customize button. From the top drop-down menu, select Products, and then click on the default product option to edit your product template. On the left sidebar, locate and click Product Information under the Template section. Now we need to add the widget just below the price. Click on Add Block, and you'll see two options: Block and Apps. Click on Apps, then select Storefront Widget, and position it below the price. Click the Save button to apply these changes to your theme. Next, let's create a discount rule. Open the Savify Discounts app from your Shopify admin. Inside the app, locate the Storefront Widget section and click the Create Widget button. Under the Widget Display Location section, you can choose where the discount widget will appear, whether it's on the product page, collection page, home page, or all pages. For this demo, let's select Product Page. Under the Discount on Selected Items section, you can choose to apply this discount to all products or only to specific ones. Let's select Selected Products Only for this demonstration. You can include or exclude products based on products, tags, collections, vendors, or SKU. For this example, we'll select by products. Click Include Discount in the Products section, then click the Set Products button. Let's select Wooden Spin for this tutorial. This means that whenever a customer visits the Wooden Spin product page, they will see your discount message and be informed about the special offer. Now let's configure the widget settings. First, give your widget a name. This is for your internal reference only. Now, under the Discount Tiers section, we can create tiered discount levels. You can choose either a percentage or a fixed amount discount. Then create a message that customers will see on the product page. Let's enter Buy 2, get 20% discount for our example. In the Condition section, Always condition will be added by default. If needed, users can remove it and set conditions as required. Now click the Save button to activate your Storefront Widget discount rule. That's it. Your Storefront Widget discount is now live. Let's visit the Wooden Spin product page to see it in action. As you can see, the discount has been successfully applied to the Wooden Spin product page, and our discount message is displaying perfectly through the Storefront widget. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out via our live chat or visit our contact page, where you'll find both email and WhatsApp support options. Thanks for using the Savify Discounts app. Happy selling!